Introducing GeoImager, rapid geoimaging and weathering assessment for rock slopes. Our team, myself, Mohd Ashraf Ismail, Mazlina Razali, Niran Dawal Cheng, and Fatin Nadira Ahmad Fauzi. Together, we developed a smarter way to safeguard slopes and communities.
Malaysia has recorded nearly 700 landslides, claiming over 600 lives, and causing damages exceeding 222.84 million ringgit. Across the country, there are more than 20,000 slope structures, with over 3,000 identified as high risk. From Bukit Lanjan to Genting Highlands, these disasters are stark reminders that slope instability is not just a possibility. It is a critical, ongoing national threat demanding urgent solutions. Conventional weathering assessments are slow and costly. They require manual sketching, expensive laboratory tests, and highly trained experts. Reports can take weeks. By then, the slope may already be failing. What we need is a faster, smarter, and more accessible solution. This is where GeoImager comes in. With just a smartphone image, GeoImager instantly analyzes slope conditions and produces a digital weathering map. It is fast, intelligent, and accessible. No bulky instruments, no long delays. Here's how GeoImager works. The slope image is captured in RGB. Through binarization and CIELAB conversion, the system detects subtle color changes linked to weathering. Automated segmentation then maps slope zones, and the output is a reliable weathering assessment in seconds. GeoImager doesn't just assess, it monitors, visualizes, and supports decision-making. Its full capability ranges from instant analysis to continuous monitoring across complex terrains. GeoImager is secured with strong IP protection, 2 registered copyrights and a patent for its core image analysis algorithm. This ensures exclusivity, market advantage, and positions GeoImager as a pioneer in digital slope safety solutions. GeoImager's applications are wide-ranging. In construction projects, it checks slope stability before and after excavation. For disaster agencies, it enables early landslide detection to protect communities. In mining and tunneling, it allows continuous rock mass assessment at minimal cost. GeoImager is at technology readiness level 7. It has been validated in multiple pilot projects under real-world tropical slope conditions. Through strategic partnerships, pilot deployments, iterative refinement, capacity building, and performance benchmarking, GeoImager has proven its functionality and reliability. GeoImager is built for real-world impact. It reduces inspection time and cost, shifting slope management from reactive repairs to predictive maintenance. By removing subjectivity, it delivers data-driven, consistent results. Compatible with UAV, GIS, and BIM, it drives digital transformation and is ready for national-scale deployment. It also builds capacity and upskills the industry and universities through hands-on training, knowledge transfer, and wider market adoption. Its potential is clear, affordable, scalable, and built for the future of slope safety. We already have strong industry interest. Letters of intent have been received from TAC, Mapping SDN, Bahraini Dinar, JKR's Center of Excellence for Engineering and Technology, CREATE, Lembaga Laboraya Malaysia, LLM. Our target, software licensing, consultancy, and international deployment with industry partners. Compared to existing tools like JuGeo, ArcGIS, or Global Mapper, GeoImager is faster, more affordable, and works on site. No expensive equipment, no advanced expertise, just instant, reliable results. GeoImager contributes directly to the Sustainable Development Goals. SDG 9, Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure. SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities. SDG 13, Climate Action. By preventing slope disasters, we save lives, reduce costs, and build safer, climate-resilient communities. GeoImager, backed by 613,000 ringgit in research funding, 4,500 ringgit in training, and 74,750 ringgit in consultancy, is powered by key partners, KPT, Kojima, Catris, Create JKR, and Onseed/GECO, driving both national and international impact. With 7 publications and strong talent development, 1 PhD, 1 master, 2 master ongoing, GeoImager advances innovation while building lasting capacity in geotechnics. GeoImager has gained global credibility with positive feedback from IIA Vice President Dr. Janusz Wasowski and strong local demand, with 80% of trainees highly recommending it and interest in lifetime licensing. This combination of international recognition and user satisfaction highlights its readiness for wider adoption. In conclusion, GeoImager is rapid, reliable, and revolutionary, turning slope assessments from weeks into seconds. It protects communities, empowers industries, and drives safer, more sustainable futures. Thank you.